Good morning to all children. So children, in the previous video we already started our fourth chapter, that is our positive thinking. Okay, so let's continue with this chapter. Some more point is given. Let's see what is there. So we'll read the chapter. So children, see the next topic, that is identifying negative thinking. What is that? Do you find it hard to understand if your self talk is positive or negative? What you are talking, whether you can find out yourself that whether you are talking positive things or negative things. Then check against the following common forms of negative self talk. First point is given, filtering. You tend to focus on negative aspects of situation and magnify them. Thus you filter out all the positive aspects from the situation. For example, you can say you had a great day at school and you got 10 out of 10 in the solving math, and your teacher complimented you for those sums. At home in the evening you attempt to tackle some more tasks and forget about the compliment you whatever you receive in the school. That is the filtering point. That personalizing, when something goes wrong you automatically assume responsibilities and blame yourself. That for example, your team lost a game and you immediately assume that you are to be blamed for that. Okay, third is catastrophizing. You automatically anticipate the worst. For example, you can take, you missed your bus and so reach school late, and you automatically assume that the rest of your day will be disaster. Okay, that will be the next point. Fourth point is polarizing. You see things only as either good or bad. For you there is no middle ground. You think that you have to be perfect or you are a total failure of this. Then next point, what is given there, how a positive frame of mind helps you. So there are some points is given. You can see first point is expecting success and not failure, making you feel inspired, gives you the strength not to give up if you encounter obstacles on the way, believing in yourself and in your abilities, enhance your self esteem and confidence. You look for solutions instead of dwelling on problems. You see and recognize opportunities, looking at the bright side of life, and so your whole life becomes filled with light and helps you achieve goals and attain success. It produces energy and you are filled with enthusiasm, enables you to inspire and motivate yourself and others. You get more respect and love from others. Your smile and life smile at you only. Okay, the next point is given, some tips to develop a positive attitude, how you develop positive attitude on yourself. Then choose to be happy. First of all, it is a matter of choice. Refuse to choose negative thought always, and think of positive solution to be problems. Feel happy whenever you solve a problem. Look at the bright side of the life always. Take time to notice the good things that happen around you. Rejoice in all that in good in the world, and all the good is that is accomplished by you as well as by others. Surround yourself with the positive people. Always be remain with the positive people around yourself. Make sure you are associate with people who encourage and support, people you can depend on to give you helpful advice and feedback also. Find reasons to smile more often. You can find them if you look out for them. Smile improves your face value also. And they say, have faith in yourself. First of all, believe that the world can help you and that there is a solution for every problem. Okay. Next topic is given, be open to humor. Watching and reading humorous things that make you laugh and tremendous healing power. Allow yourself to laugh especially during difficulty times and it make you less stress. Okay, follow a healthy lifestyle. Always exercise daily. Follow a healthy diet to fuel your mind, your body. Adopt techniques to boost your positive attitudes, always to manage your stress. Practice positive self talk. Speak to yourself using positive affirmations that are meaningful to you, especially after getting up in the morning and before going to the bed at night. As rule, don't say anything to yourself that you wouldn't say to anyone else. Okay, these all are the points which is be positive attitude. Putting positive thinking into practice, these 2 points are given there. You can see negative self talk and the positive thinkings. Okay, given here some examples of negative self talk, and that can be given a twist with the positive thinking. So first point is given for the negative one, I have never done such a thing. Here's an opportunity to learn something new. These 2 points makes a difference between the negative talk and the self talk and the positive talk. Okay, so you can see yourself that second point is given, this subject is too tough, and I will tackle that from a different angles. Okay, means the positive way you have to take it in all the matter. The positive way, if you are taking, you can solve anything. There is no way it will work. I can try to make it work. I am not prepared for it. I'll do what can be done. I am too lazy to get this done. I am going to reschedule my work to this include this. Okay, these are the negative, with difference of the negative and the positive way. So children, read this chapter properly. Whatever point is given there about the positive thinking in your life, that you should be positive, have the positive attitude, everything, and read the chapter. And I'm giving you the fill-ups and the meanings of this chapter. Okay, as I given in the last video, that chapter number 3 I given. Okay, so in now I'm giving chapter number 4. You can see the link over there just below the video. Okay, the small arrow is there. I told you last time also, in that arrow, if you click that one, then you will get the one link, and you open the link, you will get the notes. So okay, so thank you children.